Hey guys, this is Vengi from Vengi.com. In today's video, we are going to explore the difference between NRE bank account versus NRO bank account. Let's dive into the video. Here is the difference between NRE bank account and NRO bank account. First, let's talk about what is NRE account. So NRE account full form is non-resident external account. NRO account full form is non-resident ordinary account. NRE account is specifically used to deposit your foreign earnings to this account. Okay, only foreign earnings, that is foreign currency, can be deposited in NRE account. So when you deposit foreign currency here, that will be converted into Indian rupees automatically. There are some type of NRE accounts are there. There you can deposit your foreign currency and that will stay as foreign currency itself. You have such account as well in NRE. So any earnings from India are strictly not allowed to be deposited in this account. Okay, there is a reason behind it. You will know in the upcoming other differences. I will explain there. Let's come to NRO account right now. So NRO account is non-resident ordinary account. Any earnings from India can be deposited in this NRO bank account. For example, if you own a property in India, if you are getting a rent out of it, you can deposit that rent in NRO account. If you own some shares and if you are getting the dividend every quarterly, then you can deposit there. Any pension, any interest from other bank accounts, or any sale of property money, those amounts you can deposit in NRO bank account. And then, okay, you will think about it. Okay, so what about earnings from foreign country? Will I be able to deposit here in NRO account? Yes, you can still deposit foreign currency, that is that amount coming from foreign countries. You can deposit in an NRO account also, but you need to pay the tax. Okay, so normally in NRO bank account, nobody will try to deposit foreign currency here because of the tax that is imposing the tax by the government, right? So mostly people will not prefer that. So very important one is the advantage for the people who are actually non-resident of India. They mostly prefer this NRE account because that doesn't impose any tax on the principal as well as interest. Okay, so this particular difference talks about what is NRE account and what is NRO account and the key difference between these two. Let's get into the second difference. Deposit. As I already explained you, in NRE bank account, only foreign currency deposits are allowed. You cannot deposit any Indian rupees here. Okay, so if you deposit foreign currency here, it will automatically convert into Indian rupees. And at the point of deposit, whatever is the exchange rate, it will be converted into Indian rupees and it will be deposited. So any currency, for example, US dollar or Canadian dollar or Singapore dollar, any currency can be deposited here. Euros, yen, Chinese yuan, so anything can be deposited. Okay, now NRO account. How about NRO account? So in NRO account, as we discussed earlier, you can deposit both foreign currency as well as Indian rupees. Both can be deposited. As I told you earlier, foreign currency deposit will incur tax. So people will not prefer that. Let's go to the third difference. Withdrawals. In both NRE as well as NRO bank account, you can withdraw money only in Indian rupees. Okay, so there is no difference between these two accounts in terms of withdrawals. Tax. As I told you earlier, NRE bank account, both principal as well as interest are tax free. So completely it is exempt from tax. So whatever money you deposit, whatever you are earning from foreign country, the foreign currency, you can deposit here in NRE bank account, which is completely tax free. It is for both principal as well as interest. It's completely tax free. Okay, what about NRO account? So in NRO account, it is taxable. Both principal as well as interest earned are taxable. Interest earned is taxable at 30 percentage. Okay, as per the Income Tax Act 1961, so it is taxable at 30 percentage of the money what you deposit there. So this will be deducted at source, that is called TDS. So bank themselves actually will deduct the tax from your bank balance. Okay, let's get into the next difference: repatriability or transferability. Okay, so you are depositing money in your NRE bank account, and that is the foreign currency is converted into Indian rupees and it is deposited. Okay, so as I told earlier, it is automatically converted into Indian rupees and it is deposited. Okay, later on, if you need the same, if you need the money back to your foreign bank in your foreign country, you have your own salary account or some other bank account you have in your foreign country, wherever you reside. If you want the money from your NRE bank account, which is based from India, if you want to transfer that money back to your foreign country account, then you can do that from your NRE bank account. So transferability is possible and it is completely free from your NRE bank account. But whereas in NRO bank account, you can transfer the money to foreign account from your NRO bank account, but it is subject to tax. Okay, so and maximum of US dollar 1 million you can transfer in a financial year. So that is the key difference between the transferability for NRE bank account and NRO bank account. The next difference is about joint account. NRE bank account can be created by two NRIs together. If you are an NRI, you can create a NRE bank account with another NRI as a joint account you can create. Whereas NRO account, either two NRIs together can create a NRO bank account, or one NRI can join with another non-resident, that is another resident Indian who is actually currently residing in India. You can together you can open the account. For example, yourself or your father from India, yourself or some other relative from India, you can together you can open, assuming that you are currently in outside of India. These are the 6 key differences between NRE and NRO bank accounts. I believe this will clarify your complete the confusion between these two type of accounts. So you can choose which particular account you need for your need. You can choose and you can create either one or other one or both. Okay, now let's talk about when or where these type of accounts can be created. Okay, see, there are two different types. There are two different ways actually. Before okay, if you are for example, if you are going first time to foreign country from India, as soon as you get a visa in any of the embassies or consulates, once you have the visa stamped in your passport, you can visit any of the, that is public or private sector bank. You can visit the branch in person with your passport, visa, documents, and all those relevant travel documents. You can visit the branch, nearest branch, and you can open either NRE or NRO or both. You can open that account. Other option is, okay, so you did not create the account in India because of your travel. You are so much busy and you don't have any time to create an account there in India. during your travel. So you can come to foreign country, wherever you are going, whichever country you are traveling, come to the foreign country and open NRE or NRO bank account or both. You can do it through online. Okay, so all private or public sector banks, everyone actually have the facility to open these accounts online. Let me show you some of the popular bank websites. I'll open and I'll explain you how you can create a NRE or NRO bank accounts. That will help you a lot to get into and to create the account. Okay, now let me show you how to open NRE or NRO bank account with ICICI Bank. Let's go to ICICI website, ICICI Bank. So normally in all banking websites, you can see a NRI link in the home page somewhere. Okay, if you look at this one in ICICI Bank, you see this link over here. Let me zoom it. So if you see here, click that NRI and it opens up the NRI homepage, and you see that here NRE savings, and it talks about briefly what is NRE savings account, and then you see apply now button with no more data, with no more link. So if you click and read about it, you can know more details about this NRE savings account. Similarly, you have NRO savings account link and you see apply now button here. Let me go to NRE savings, clicking this apply now button. So you will come to this page. Okay, here ICICI Bank actually simplified the way of creating a NRE or NRO bank account. So these are the different steps involved. So get ready with your passport, visa, and overseas address proof. And step 2 is fill the online application form, which is this one. And then on the right side you see this, right? So that one, and then courier pickup will be done. So this is very straightforward, and they will schedule a courier pickup, so you don't need to worry about this one, and somebody will come to your house to pick up the document package to deliver to Mumbai ICICI. And then the fourth step would be the account will be opened. Okay, so that's what it is. So what you need to do is just click open new NRI account and fill your details: first name, last name, country, mobile, cell phone number or landline number, and provide your email ID, and set up this one time password, and then agree to this one, and then submit it. As soon as you submit it, as mentioned over here, somebody will call you from ICICI Bank. Okay, so as highlighted over here, you will get a call from 40 area code from Hyderabad. Somebody will call you, and they will talk to you, and they will explain complete process, and then you can follow the steps whatever they are providing you, and you can complete it and follow the step-by-step process. It is straightforward, it is simple, it is nothing complicated. You can do it very quickly with that. And if you already have a NRO bank account, if you already have resident bank account, that is a regular resident, India resident account already, as a NRI, you should not hold any resident India bank account. Okay, you need to convert that one into NRO as per RBI regulations. Okay, so how to convert this resident account to NRO account? So that one you select this option and fill that, and then proceed with the steps. Okay, that's how you need to do that. So this is for this is how actually you will create the NRI or NRE bank account using ICICI website. Okay, time to time the process might change, but as of now, as of this recording date, this is the process in ICICI website. Okay, so let's get into another bank. Let me go to Axis Bank. I'm going to axisbank.com. In the home page, look for NRI link. If you see here at the top, you see this link. Do you see it? Just click that, and this is the NRI homepage. Look here. So open NRI account. Just click that link. So similar to ICICI Bank, here also you have, say, keep your passport ready and all those things it talks about. So since you are a new user, you fill the details, your details, first name, last name, your cell phone number, email address, and all those stuff, and click call me now or call me later, and fill this user authorization, and then submit it. Somebody will call you and to get through the process, so that will be straightforward and nothing complicated here as well. Okay, so this is how you open account, NRE or NRO account in Axis Bank. So here in this tab, they provide some details about benefits of creating NRI savings account or NRE or NRO savings account with Axis, and then application process, they explain what are the things are there, and more details are provided in this links. Okay, just explore that, and it is straightforward and self-explanatory. Okay, now let me go to some public sector bank. SBI, State Bank of India website, sbi.co.in. In the home page, you see the NRI link here. Okay, so click that. This is the home page of NRI banking. Click here, accounts. Under accounts, you see non-residential external NRO account. Okay, so I'm clicking NRE residential external. You see they explained about features and eligibility and all those stuff they explained over here. Just go through this and understand what are the interest rate they are giving and all those things. You can explore that, and what are the types of NRE accounts. They have a link and the rest of the stuff. Just click this apply now. It will take you to the account opening page, and here you have the list of documents required and procedure to file online application, and the steps after filing online application, what you need to do, and any FAQs, all those stuff provided over here. Okay, just click apply now, and you see this online application form. Okay, there are two different sections they are talking about: customer information section and account information section. So for the account customer information section, just click start now, that is start new. So here are the details. This is a form, online form, and the first one is talking about customer information section, personal details and additional details, and second one talks about account information section. So you fill this form and navigate through the screen and fill all the details, whatever is mandatory, fill everything, and then proceed and submit the form. And go through this website, and it is self-explanatory. This is how you create NRE or NRO bank account using three different banks I explained, that is ICICI Bank, Axis Bank, and SBI Bank. If you have any queries about any of this, whatever I explained in this video, please post your queries in the comment section. I will answer all of them as much as possible. If you like this video, please hit the like button, share with your friends, and subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon. We will see you in another video with another interesting topic. See you. Bye bye.